Good morning, this is Mark with Woods Equipment in Oregon, Illinois. We're going to take a look at RTR60.40 this morning. This is one of the Woods Rotary Tiller line products. On the driveline standard comes a slip clutch. From the slip clutch we go back to a cast iron gearbox. On the gearbox we have a 3-year warranty. This includes seals. From the gearbox we'll go down the hex shaft drive. On the side we have a rugged gear driven side drive box. This side drive box drives our rotor. On the rotor we have greasable bearings with triple lip seals to keep out dirt and debris. It also has an innovative double flange rotor design. This has 4 blades per flange. This allows for a lower horsepower consumption and also allows for dirt and debris, rocks, other things that could jam in your rotor to pass through easier. It also has heat-treated premium C-shaped tines for fast, smooth cutting and long life. These features all work together to produce an ideal seed bed. For more information on Woods Tillers and other products, go to woodsequipment.com or call 1-800-31-WOODS.